You know, Natalie, the series that we're doing is called, in fact, Reimagine Childcare. You have told our producers and you've said publicly, quote, our current childcare system is simply not working. So, reimagining childcare, we want it to be way more than a slogan. If you reimagine it to what it needs to be, what it must be, what does it look like?
Well, firstly, it's got significantly more public support. We really need to think about childcare as a public good and one that we as communities broadly value and pay for. But also, I think there's a real opportunity to think about childcare that meets different parents and diverse families in different places and offers much more flexibility and really supports different choices that parents make. And so, what we hear from home-based childcare providers is that they want to be respected and valued as a critical part of the childcare system, and that, from the perspective of families, their needs change. When a child is a baby, they may want something that's different than when their child is a 4-year-old. And we really need to ensure that there is availability and supply of high quality options in homes, in schools, in community centers, and other forms of childcare. So reimagining childcare for me, number one, starts with significantly greater public investment that is really targeted towards improving compensation and working conditions for providers and caregivers. And it also really means getting more support to families, not only in terms of lowering the cost of accessing care, but ensuring that they have high quality options in different settings, including home-based settings.
High-quality childcare for infants and toddlers is essential for working families, businesses, and the economy. An investment in childcare is an investment in the workforce. We have the opportunity to reimagine childcare by making it more affordable, accessible, and equitable. It's time to build back better. Learn more about the Reimagine Childcare campaign by visiting the website at reimaginechildcare.org.
Also brought to you by the Turrell Fund, supporting Reimagine Childcare. Rowan University Institute for Public Policy and Citizenship. The FIDELCO Group. Bank of America. RWJ Barnabas Health. Johnson & Johnson. The Northward Center. United Airlines. And by the Adler Aphasia Center.